I've got my hoses in the back. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining me. Got some storms or something maybe moving in. It's supposed to stay north of us here, so we're still going to go ahead and take a look at this yard. Let's go take a look at it. So here is my sister-in-law's house. Yeah, sister-in-law. That's what I go for. So we can see that we took out a lot of the weeds here. Still need some work. They're cutting it pretty short. I might just change the setting on the mower for them, because it's super short, even shorter than my yard. So we still got quite a bit of weeds in here. So today we're gonna spray the weed and feed bottle that I have. Ew. Well, we'll see if this is gonna be passing us or not. It's like lightning within 5 miles of my location. So, you know, we can tell we want a neighbor's yard looking more like this. So we got this spray weed and feed right here. Now I just quickly measured her house property, and she's got roughly around 6,300 square feet. So this bottle says it covers 7,500 square feet. Once again, you know, like the budget lawns, got this on clearance at Target for $5 instead of 10, so 50% off. I'll take it. So let's get to spraying this. Ooh, spraying and praying. A little bit of lightning. Let's do it. I believe this stuff says it's rainproof in a few hours, so I mean, we might not have a few hours, but this lawn can use anything that we can throw at it. You can smell the weed killer in there, and that smells like success sometimes. Oop, got a kink in the hose. Kinky. we got the front yard done. Let's take it to the back. All right. Backyard, same as the front. We had some good weed die off with our first application, and so if you see me trying to hurry, that's why. Let's go get the backyard sprayed. Take a fiber quick. Let's see if this passes us or not. Well, maybe it's a waste of $5, maybe not. At least the grass will like the nitrogen in that bottle. And just like that, we have a rainbow. Look at that. Those guys. Rainbow. Well, so the weed aspect of the weed and feed in this bottle is pretty much gone now, so let's at least just spray it down and see what happens. Well, did we kill weeds? Probably not today. That little storm shower probably wiped away anything that we put down on there. But that bottle was 2000, so there should be some nitrogen in there. We should get a little bit of green up. Now, this time of the year, I also picked up some granular fertilizer, so we're going to try to put that down as well. Today might have been a good day for that, but I still want to, get rid of some of the weed pressure. We did get rid of a lot of it, and a lot of the weeds are dying back, so that's good. I'm happy with the progress. Now we just want to push the remaining grass. You didn't see it, but when I was in the garage hiding from the rain, I did raise up the lawnmower a couple of notches because it's just too low. They just scalp it every time. So I'll tell them to keep it there, and hopefully in another week or so I can get some more fertilizer put on it, and we'll see if this did anything. I'll check back in a few days. We'll see if this did anything, and then we'll go from there. But we're going to push this yard, and we're going to see what we can do with it. So thank you for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. Go ahead, subscribe. You'll see the progress that we have here. Hopefully we have some progress. I don't know. Well, I'm a rookie. You know, I'm just another dude who likes to putz around in the yard. But I do like to see progress. I like to see problems, and I like to fix those problems. So this is my budget-friendly yard care series to kind of kill some weeds and push the growth here now that we're reaching the fall season here in Wisconsin. So go ahead and subscribe. Stay up to date on this little project we got going at my sister-in-law's house. And we'll see what we can do in the next video. This is episode 2 of a who knows how many part series. So go ahead, comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so that you can be updated with the progress in this lawn. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.